Hey, this is Mark Mathis with e-commerce site owners, and if you want to get access to the full course, ClickFunnels for e-commerce, I've just put the final touches on it. You can see it behind me. It's ready to go for you. All you need to do is just click on the link below this video and you'll get access immediately. Okay? Hope to see you on the inside of the private Facebook group, and if I can help you, just let me know. Thanks. Hey again, it's Mark, and in this video I'm going to be going through the digital assets features and functionality inside of ClickFunnels, and it's a really handy way to be able to store digital files like PDFs or MP3s or video files and have everything in one place and be able to use those for downloads or whatever you might need right inside of your funnels. That way you don't have to pay for any additional external web hosting or video streaming services or anything like that. So it's very simple to use. Basically, you go into account settings and then you'll go into digital assets, and inside here is where you'll see all of your digital assets. So what we'll do is we'll create a new asset and we'll upload that, and we'll use like a PDF as an example, and then you'll call this free whatever you'd like to call it so you know what it is. And then you don't have to worry about the other items. It needs to be under 3 megabytes. Okay, so I've chosen another file, and I'll just say free PDF report, upload it, and at that point you have the asset there and available. So to get the link to add it to one of your funnels, you just right click, copy link address, and then you'll go to whatever funnel it might be. So let's go back into our share funnel. And let's just say on the let's say on the privacy policy page, just for an example, we want to add a link to this page. So we'll just go in here and we can add no text. Okay, so edit that link, and you can see it ends in PDF, and at that point it will open up. Okay, so it opened up in the other monitor that I have here, but basically that's it. So MP3s, video files, PDFs are perfect for this. It's just a great way to be able to store everything in one centralized place and not have to pay any additional web hosting fees other than your ClickFunnels account. So I hope this is helpful. If I can be of any service to you, just let me know. Thank you so much.